Okay, what's the next movie you were involved in?
Double Take.
Were you an actor?
I was an actor and an associate producer.
Was that theatrical review?
Yes, Disney.
What's the next picture? And what year was that? Double Take.
No.
Oh, I don't remember. I mean, I don't remember. You
Just
can
give it
look it up. I don't know.
Close
Okay, but
approximation.
I don't remember. I just don't remember.
All right. Well, it was within the last 6 years because it was after 2006.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe you can call David Perman and ask him. I don't remember.
What was David Perman's role on it?
He was the main producer.
I'll do that. Okay, what's your next film?
Revelations of the Mayans 2012 and beyond.
Okay, so you've been involved in either acting or producing in 3 films, correct?
I've been involved in acting and producing in more than that, but I just don't remember the dates and, you know, the years.
Well, can you
So
remember? Can you remember any other films that were made?
Sir, you can get them from the IMDb. That's.
No, if you can remember any.
I don't remember. I don't remember right now.
Okay. How much were you paid on Vengeance?
$30,000.
And how much were you paid? And how long did you work on Vengeance?
2 months.
And how much were you paid on Clash?
What? I think about $38,000.
$38,000. How long did you work on that?
A month and a half.
And how much were you paid on Double Take?
I was paid on like $12,000 on Double Take.
Did you have any back-end participation in any of those films?
No, sir.
And on average for the last 10 years, how much have you earned annually? Let's start 10 years ago.
Objection. Why would that even be anywhere remotely relevant to this proceedings?
Well, I
I think it
assume
violates his privacy. You're talking about financial matters at this particular point.
doesn't really, but it's relevant to.
I'm not going to answer your question, really.
It's not going to answer it, so it doesn't matter. Thank you. I'm not going to waste my time. When did you first meet Mrs. Theriault?
I met Mrs. Theriault. I don't remember the exact date. I have to look on my.
Just give him your closest estimate.
I don't know. It could be a year ago, for what I know.
Okay, and how did you meet her?
Through one of ladies who was acting as an associate producer of this picture, Revelations of the Mayans. Her name is Sheila McCarty.
And she was employed by you as an associate producer?
She was employed by us, yes.
Employed by what entity? By you?
By me and Ed Elbert.
You and Ed. Did you have a production company, or you two individually?
We individually were doing this.
Okay. And she was employed as an associate producer? Mm-hmm. What was her compensation to be?
It was going to be, I believe, $10,000, if I recollect.
Okay. She was going to be an associate producer for $10,000. Mm-hmm. Did you have a written contract with her?
We had a contract that we never signed, because of
And it's a no.
no.
A contract was prepared but never executed.
Yeah, it was prepared.
Who prepared the contract?
Lisa Khalif.
Let me ask about Lisa Khalif while we're here. How did you meet Lisa Khalif?
Through Scientology.
Through Scientology. And she's a Scientologist?
Yes.
And when did you meet Lisa Khalif?
I met her about 6-7 months ago, if I recollect.
Just 6 or 7 months ago you met her?
Mhm. We know her brother. Her brother is we know him for 3 or 4 years.
So when do you think that she started doing work was Lisa Khalif, did you know Lisa Khalif before you knew Elizabeth Theriault?
I knew Lisa Khalif's brother before I knew Mrs. Theriault. Yeah.
Well, how do you know Lisa Khalif's brother?
He's a Scientologist.
And what's his name?
David.
David Khalif?
Yes.
Okay. And what does he do?
David Flate. David Flate. He goes by the name of David Flate.
How do you-
Flate. F-L-A-T-E. I believe Khalif is her.
Married name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you meet Lisa Khalif? You said through Scientology, but in what circumstance?
I asked someone in Scientology, that I needed an attorney to help me with, to help me and Mrs. Theriault, preparing, contracts for revelations of the Mayans and producers and so forth.
And who is that you asked in Scientology?
Well, you don't know him, It's irrelevant. I just know him through someone in Scientology, So
But you don't remember who it was?
it doesn't matter,
It doesn't matter what
Okay, I can give you the name of Roberto Lopez. What difference does it make? I met her through.
You can tell him if he
You
remembers.
can tell me, you
what it is,
remember
give
the
him
name, just
It's no
what's the
big
name
deal.
of the person?
Okay, Jose Cohen. Does that make a difference?
It might.
No, he's
Oh,
asking the
I don't know. I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
We're not arguing.
So Jose Cohn recommended that you use Lisa Khalif.
I'm just
as a
giving you. I'm
lawyer.
just giving you a name.
No, sir. I don't want you to just
Do
give
you
me
know it?
names.
Do you know the name?
You know who recommended.
Do you? Okay.
Sir, listen to me, please.
You have to answer that
You
question.
know who
Okay.
recommended.
Yes.
You know. So you gave me 2 different names. Those were both false names, correct? You
No,
just-
they're not false. I'm just implying that what difference does it make?
But they're not the names of the people.
No, they're not, sir.
Okay. So what is the name of the person at Scientology?
I called her brother, and I said I need an attorney.
Okay. So
I
you
called her
called
brother, yes, David Flade, and I said I need an attorney.
Okay.
He says my father is an attorney, and my sister is an attorney also. They both, entertainment lawyers.
Is his father a Scientologist?
Yes.
So Sheila McCarthy introduced you to Miss Theriault.
No, she didn't introduce me. You asked me how did I met her. Sheila McCarty.
I said, how did you meet Mrs. Theriault? And you said,
Through the lines of Sheila McCarty. Sheila McCarty did not introduce me to Mrs. Theriault.
Who did?